what you're looking at here is damaged paint. The next clip is me correcting and taking out all the damage from that paint, all the scratches and all the little swirl marks, and perfecting this car and making this paintwork look like the day it came from Audi. This is an Audi S4, it's black. I'm inspecting it now with a light just to make sure and see how perfect the first correction came. And as you can see here, it's absolutely unbelievable. So 90% of all the cars on the road, you'll see when the sun comes out, the paint is damaged and scratched. We correct the paint. We can show you on the boot here as well how amazing your car should look. And once we've done this, we put a 5-year ceramic coating on the car, which hardens and protects the paintwork and looks after that car for the next 5 years. It's an armor protection for your car. And this next clip is the result of having your entire car paint corrected and ceramic coated. This is why we wake up every morning, to change people's lives, to change their cars, and to show you how well correction and ceramic coating work. This car literally looks like the day it came from Audi.